One way to pass a home to your child or children is to make a will and designate a beneficiary for your home in your newly created will. Although estate recovery issues need to be considered using this method, taxes can generally be reduced or eliminated as individuals receiving property upon the death of another are entitled to an adjustment in the cost basis, a step up when there are built-in gains. Gifting the family house to children has consequences that are often unforeseen by families looking to safeguard their assets. Making such a transfer puts you in a difficult position if your children go through divorce, bankruptcy, incur liability due to a lawsuit, or other financial problem occur that may require reselling the house. If you're planning to move out of the house now, you can give the property to your child. However, attorneys generally have better techniques than making such a transfer. A life estate allows you to transfer part ownership to your children or anyone else while you're alive. You can live in it or rent it out during your lifetime, and when you die, the remaining ownership passes to your kids or others to whom the asset was transferred, who may then take full possession and ownership of the assets. Placing the home in an irrevocable trust with your children as the beneficiaries is another option. Doing so may help you avoid estate taxes, qualify for Medicaid for nursing home or assisted living facility expenses, and protect the house from Medicaid estate recovery. Careful planning is a must, as making a transfer to an irrevocable trust may cause an ineligibility period for Medicaid for a period of time after such a transfer of your home. If the house is eventually sold, the proceeds remain in the trust, and the proceeds of the sale will be passed to the trust beneficiaries. If you gift a piece of real estate directly to your child or grandchild, it is perceived as a gift by the IRS. You cannot claim a loss, nor is your gift tax deductible. You can gift a maximum of $15,000 in 2018, but gifting more does not necessarily warrant the payment of taxes, however. Contact an attorney at Heritage Law Office for a free consultation.